Sup gamers, Miguel here, and we all know that gaming is big. But you might be wondering, how big? Well, statistically, as of the time this video was produced, if you combine the earnings of both the music and the movie industries together, it still wouldn't match the money that gaming makes worldwide. And your parents used to say, video games were a waste of time. Aside from the usual sales garnered from consoles, PCs, and mobile games, a huge part of the money equation comes down to electronic sports, more commonly known as eSports. In particular, professional gamers and esports athletes who compete in tournaments have almost celebrity-like status in their respective game. And, as a bonus, they make some fat stacks too. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the highest-earning esports athletes in 2023 for the most popular esports games today. As a disclaimer, this list will only cover the top paid athletes per their tournament winnings. So endorsements and things like money from team ownership won't be covered on our list here. Also, special shout out to esportscharts.com, which is where we got most of our data. You can check out their site down in the description box. Without further ado, let's take a look at some of the highest earning esports athletes in 2023. First on our list is Danish Dota 2 superstar Johan Sundstedt, more commonly known as No-Tail. Not only is No-Tail the highest earning gamer in Dota 2, but he also ranks number 1 on the list of highest earning gamers in the world. Dota number 1! The Team OG member has garnered a massive $7,184,163 in terms of total winnings from Dota 2 esports competitions. That's right, 7.1 million. This is comprised of a massive 56 tournaments and 298 matches overall. He has played in 4 TI or the International Championship tournaments, winning twice in 2018 and 2019, and has won 4 Dota Major Championships. No-Tail is widely considered one of the best Dota 2 players of all time, and as we've seen, he has the cash winnings to back it up. Of course, our list wouldn't be complete without League of Legends. Widely considered as LoL's best player ever, we have the GOAT, Lee Faker Samhyuk. The T1 mid laner has won not 1, but 3 world championships, 10 League of Legends Champions Korea titles, and 2 mid-season invitationals, or MSIs. He has also won 1 World Championship Most Valuable Player award, an MSI MVP, 2 LCK season MVPs, and many more individual accomplishments to boot. His in-game success has turned into an almost $1,470,490 in total winnings from 13 tournaments and over 159 matches. There's a reason why many consider him the Michael Jordan of esports, and given his total winnings and tournament dominance, it's pretty clear why. Next up is Team Vitality's very own entry fragger, Peter Dupreeh Ramuset. Dupreeh is one of, if not the most decorated CSGo player in the history of the game. He has played for Team Dignitas, Team Solo Mid, Team Vitality, and Astralis. He's won 5 CSGO major championships, 4 with Astralis, earning himself and his team a ton of winnings. In total, Dupreeh has garnered $2,181,164 in winnings from a whopping 30 tournaments and 163 matches. As a key part of what's considered as one of the best CSGO lineups in history, Dupreeh's massive success is definitely well-deserved and well-earned. And the big winnings don't hurt to have as well. Remember Fortnite? Of course you do. Rounding out our list is one of the most successful Fortnite players we've seen so far, Kyle Bugha Giersdorf. As the winner in the first annual Fortnite World Cup in 2019, Bugha cemented himself as one of the legends of the Fortnite scene with his overwhelming 59-point victory during the inaugural tournament. His World Cup win alone earned him $3 million, with eSports chart stating that he has amassed a total of $3,534,161 in winnings. Imagine getting 3 million buckaroonies in 1 year. Woo! Given Fortnite's monstrous rise in popularity in recent times, it's no wonder why Bugha has ranked in the cash with his title as the game's very first esports world champion. Props to you, my guy. And there we have it. Some of the highest earning esports athletes for 4 of the most popular games in 2023. Who's your favorite esports athlete of all time? Are there any games you want us to feature next? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it educational, informative, or fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech and gaming news. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.